happy to be organized using data. So his meetings are around data, real data, and data is coming from the machines.
The audit has been finished.
Yeah, machine is doing the audit on everyday basis,
So
real time basis.
that makes the customer more confidence on the process.
Yes.
That is the Finsys
Yes.
done here.
And that is the power of Vignesh Polymers.
Power of Finsys.
Thank you. And that is creating gold out of polymers.
Yes.
So Vignesh Polymers creates gold out of plastic dana. So sir, now I'd like to know about your success story with Finsys. What does Finsys do for you?
Yeah, Finsys do everything for us in manufacturing.
Okay.
So actually our data in the machine has been transferred to Finsys ERP in 2 hours time. From there the total factory operations has been started.
Right. You mean everything from sales, purchase?
Yeah, sales orders has been entered. Based on that planning and then production, issuing material, and then going to WIP Store, and then going to QC, assembly,
Despatch, and everything.
Despatch, PDI, everything, all stages through Finsys only it has been done. It is very useful for us as well as customers.
Traceability aspect.
For traceability, issuing all traceabilities are in system. This is in today's scenario that is required for.
Most important. Very important.
More transparency is required for customer.
So which raw material came from which vendor, on
one?
which date, which bag was used for this shipment today?
So everything is available for customer. That is a good thing in Finsys when we are comparing to other ERPs and all.
Yeah, so it's nice. And why did you make this purchase?
Which one?
Very normal question. Why did you select us?
See,
let us know, let us learn.
Yeah. See, why did we select Finsys means the Finsys, the promoters, maybe the background is all the chartered accountants, cost accountants. For any company, process and finance, these two are both important. I have seen in Finsys the teams, the senior founders and all, one is from finance and process.
Both
are merged here.
Yeah.
So that is the reason we have purchased.
And going down in this journey for 2 years, you found your thoughts, your estimate went right.
Yes, correct. Earlier we have tried some ERPs, but it has been not at
things are ups and down, but with this selection you are happy that good, things went
we are very much happy. You are always there for any supporters.
always sir. So we are so happy working. And which are the features you particularly like, you and your team? I see this, in fact your room itself, if friends we see this room, the conference room, his own MD's room has this big huge television on which he sees the ERP reports and see the table. How the people sit on this T-form table in front of sir, and this is the sir's chair. And so happy to be organized using data. So his meetings are around data, real data, and data is coming from the machines. I am in the Vignesh Polymers plant 4. So if you see in the EPS plant again, every finished good, the packing material that you buy, or let's say Samsung, LG or Onida is going to buy, so this is being made by people like Vignesh Polymers. And every FG is having these barcodes, either at the product level or at the pellet level. And now every shot, every cavity is accountable what happened with this item. The raw material, my raw material has to come into FG, and what are the gaps and why. Good. So sir, could you share, when I was coming in from the gate, I saw some peculiarity. People were scanning the invoices.
Yeah.
So, any good idea what is story behind it, why it started, and what are you saving out of this small? Even your guards are using barcode scanners.
Yeah, it is in and out. Everything has been scanned for better accountability. What is, sir? Everything is developed by you only. You are asking me.
I want my viewers to know.
We have not developed anything.
I want my okay. I'll say that.
Yeah,
it's a beautiful thing I once heard about a customer. It was somewhere in Karnataka. So they had a fraud situation where once or twice a month they used to do a fraud. Some people, some wrong people, some black sheep, and they used to take out the material on the second printout of the invoice. Invoice looks normal, and that material used to be sold in the aftermarket as a
company doesn't know.
Company doesn't know, owners don't know what's happening. Guard doesn't know. It looks good. So using this scanning technology, the guard knows on his phone. Okay, this invoice has not gone out. It's going for the first time. Good. So it's a small accountability. Which invoice is going out when? Real time. No manual record.
Yes.
Digitized record.
Yes, we are not allowing to write anything. Everything is scanning
and digitized. Excellent. Sir, any suggestion? Any nice, beautiful thing you remember you like in the accounts module of the system?
Yeah, it is an MIS. I can say our P&L. See, it is linking to everything and showing me on daily basis where we are. For any company, in finance module, if you say, for me, P&L only required.
Yeah. Finally, what is my earning for today?
Yes. Based on that, we can take decisions.
So, sir, that means you can see your profit and loss account every day.
Yeah, every day I can see. There is a cut-off time.
So, people also know we have to finish our job by this time. Boss is going to see the report.
There is a cut-off time. Based on the cut-off time, I will see the report. And we will have a meeting by 12 o'clock. What is the stocks, purchases and all. Based on this, we will limit our purchases, we will exhaust our inventories. It is giving more value
Beautiful.
to the company.
Beautiful. That's a fantastic idea. Sir, what is your message to the people about the advantage of barcoding? Has this barcoding helped you even win customers and impress your customers?
Yeah, see, we are working for mostly for appliances, majorly for appliances customers. See, we are the benchmarking company for other customers, other suppliers.
Okay, so you are the benchmark. People have to reach your standards for your suppliers.
We are the
customers.
benchmarking for other suppliers. Our customers will take what are all the improvements done here, and then it will be implemented in other suppliers also.
Good.
It will be benefited for them.
Good for the country.
Yeah.
Good for the whole ecosystem.
Yeah, basically for this barcoding, QR codes, stage-wise QR codes, stage-wise monitoring, everything. Whatever we implemented here, some of the things which they can implement there.
Whatever they can.
See, everything cannot be copied.
Not everybody.
Everybody.
The kind of effort you have done, not everybody will do.
It is not copy paste. No?
So,
nothing.
Yeah, it's a lot of effort you have done. Your team, your super lieutenants.
Yeah. It is a team
together.
Yeah. We need to spend a lot of time here. So certain things they are taking here and benchmarking this company everywhere by the suppliers, and it has been slowly get implemented. You may also get
sometime references.
References.
And good thing is your competitors would be saying, Vignesh kahan pahunch gaya? What Vignesh is doing? Something new every month, some new technology. So improving things like anything. And new customers also joined you because of that reason. Okay, this is the best in this area.
Transparency, there is transparency. Customers, their product quality should be good. For that, we should have transparency in our process from gate entry to delivery. So you know very well they can come and put the invoice numbers. So everything they can see, which material, where it has been done, which machine, everything can be captured. That transparency, if I given automatically, my 60-70% job is done.
Yes. That is a level of comfort the customer has with you. Ki, okay, I don't have to chase this person. I don't have to request this person. He has everything transparent.
Yeah.
I can see which raw material went into my product, which machine was used, which mold was used, how much time it took, how old the item is, FIFO was maintained or not. Everything is live.
In stores, we don't have any audit in stores. When we have that barcode machine, means scanner, so they understood. So here nothing wrong can be done. They can check the ledgers, issues, checking one or two items, then it will be, audit has been finished.
Machine is doing the audit on everyday basis,
So
real time basis.
that makes the customer more confidence on the process.
Yes.
That is the Finsys done here.
And that is the power of Vignesh Polymers.
Power of Finsys.
Thank you. And that is creating gold out of polymers.
Yes.
So Vignesh Polymers creates gold out of plastic dana. Plastic granules से gold बनता है actually में in Vignesh Polymers. And all your factories and your dedication for the system. So it motivates us. And okay, when you can do it successfully with diverse locations in Goa, in Tamil Nadu, in so many locations, when everybody gels in the system. So let us learn from you, for our other viewers, how you have made this a good success story and how Finsys has been your technology partner. So you'd like to share something about your company first? Tell us something about your company.
I am SivaKumar, MD of Vignesh Polymers. So actually we started this company from zero. I am basically SIPET passed out in 1993 Ahmedabad and then worked more than a decade in similar industries and then started this unit in 2005. So when we are starting, it is very, it is a zero means, it is a zero only.
With no super background,
no
sponsor.
No sponsor, no super background. It is all, we are a technocrat.
Right.
We usually started with the used machines. Used machine, the machines which has been used more than 20 years.
Okay.
We purchase that machines and we will retrofit it by ourselves.
Okay.
Me and my friend is called Ravi.
Okay.
Now still he is as planted here.
Great.
We both used to retrofit these machines and we start run the show.
Okay.
This is all started from zero and then slowly like this we started in 2008 and then in 2013 we almost landed with the 13 used machines, giving more problems to us. See, when we are growing, we are not able to manage the shop floors. Actually, we should have other works to do to improve the businesses and all. So we think why we are doing this, and then we started purchasing new machines.
Today you have maybe more than 50.
More than 100 machines.
More than 100 injection molding machines.
Injection molding machines we have.
From Siemens, from Milancron.
Most of the machines from Milacron and Joshiba, Ujin, LS and Haitian. We have all machines. After purchasing new machines, we started with the conventional only, not with what we have today. So in 2015, again there is an
next jump.
Next jump. We moved to a new location where we are sitting here in 2015 and we moved here, and then some spark come from our Korean customer,
Okay, good.
appliances customer.
Good.
Actually, when they are coming here, they observe something, some improvements, and definitely before he reaches to his factory, that improvement will be completed
Wow.
and it will be sent, communicated to him.
Yeah.
So like that, it has been grown, and he invited me to Korea,
Okay.
and he sponsored me for some exhibitions,
Okay.
and seeing some layouts, some best factories in Korea, Taiwan, and Singapore,
Yeah.
all in his cost, not
Okay.
my cost.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what impressed for him with us. We have benchmarked there some of the factories, and we implemented everything in this new factory, from the layouts, selection of machines. Some of the Melacron machines has been outers, the stylings has been designed for us.
Acha.
Yeah.
Great.
The ex-MD, Mr.
Uh-huh.
Divgi, yeah.
Uh-huh.
He has supported me. He is a MD of Melacron. He has very impressed on our shop floors, and he will support for this stylings.
Excellent. Excellent. So your top customers are like
Yeah.
Samsung and
And then once he visited to our shop floors. See, we are our team. We have a 15-member team. The team work is to take the data from the logbooks and entering on the
systems. Okay.
system to monitor the OE. So where we are now means there should be some starting point. So he, when he visited, he asked why all these people are sitting here, what they are doing. I said, there is an ERPs, but from machine data has to come out. There is some problem how rejections can be accounted. It is an open end. He said we have some software, it can be give OE reports. So when he displayed that, there is no rejection entry possible in that manually. See, machine can know only defects of parameters change, it will check as a NG. Okay. Not, see, most of the appliances parts, appearance problems are there. That machine do not know.
Machine doesn't know. Machine
Doesn't know. So how this can be accounted? Then he worked for us for more than 3-4 months, and then he has been given this I.O.T.
Okay.
It is some third party has been developed, and it has been given to us on each and every machine. With that, we can able to achieve, we can able to understand where we are losing, what we need to do to improve.
So the data is now captured using the Melacron machines and other machines.
Yeah.
The data is now automatically coming into the Finsys ERP.
Now
Yeah.
it is what happening. From machine automatically for each 2 hours, data has been now coming to Finsys ERP. From there, everything we are starting.
Yes.
Means like OE,
Production, target versus actual.
Target, plan versus actual.
Consumption of raw material.
Consumption of raw materials.
And the same closing goes into the material requirement planning.
Material requirement.
Dispatch planning.
Dispatch planning.
All that. The I.O.T. and API based data.
Yeah.
So Finsys is continuously seeing that data and every 2 hours pulling that data.
Pulling that data. Correct.
Great.